Which is the best estimate of the quotient of 4 and 7/10 divided by 7? A, 1 and 4/10, B, 7/10, C, 6, D, 7. Number 2. Mary biked 95 and 25 kilometers in 15 days, which shows the average distance Mary biked each day. A, 6 and 35 kilometers, B, 63 kilometers, C, 65 kilometers, D, 16 kilometers. Number 3. Claude cuts a piece of paper that is 8 and 25 inches wide into 5 pieces of equal width, which shows the width of each piece of paper. A, 16 and 5/10 inches, B, 65 inch, C, 165 thousandths inch, D, 1 and 65 inches. Number 4. Marcos used 16 cups of flour to make 100 muffins. He divides to find how many cups of flour are needed for one muffin, which shows the decimal point placed correctly in the quotient. A, 1 and 6/10 cups, B, 16 thousandths of a cup, C, 16 hundredths of a cup, or D, 16 cups. Number 5. A plumber cuts 21 and 48 meters of pipe into 3 pieces of equal length. How long is each piece of pipe? A, 716 thousandths meter, B, 14 meters, C, 7 1600ths meters, D, 2 meters. 6. Pat's Pizza Shop uses 44 pounds of flour to make 100 pizzas. Which equation shows the amount of flour needed to make 10 pizzas? A, 440 divided by 10 equals 44 pounds. B, 44 divided by 10 equals 4.4 pounds. C, 44 divided by 100 equals 44 hundredths of a pound. D, 44 divided by 1 equals 44 pounds. 7. A carpenter had a log that measured 35 and 5/10 meters long. He cut the log into 5 equal lengths. Which represents the length of each piece of the log if a flat represents 1 unit? Number 8. A class of 32 students decorated a banner measuring 29 and 44 feet long. If they divided the banner into 32 sections of equal length and each student decorated a section, how much of the banner did each student decorate? A, 9 and 20 feet, B, 92 hundredths of a foot, C, 12 feet, D, 9 hundredths of a foot. Number 9. It costs $96.85 for 13 tickets to the aquarium. All the tickets cost the same amount, which shows the best estimate for the cost of one ticket. A, $15, B, $3, C, $25, or D, $10. Number 10. Which equation can be used to find 1/10 of 119 and 9/10? A, 119 and 9/10 divided by 10 equals 11 and 99 hundredths. B, 119 and 9/10 divided by 100 equals 1 and 2/10. C, 119 and 9/10 divided by 9 equals 13 and 32 hundredths. D, 119 and 9/10 divided by 1 whole equals 119 and 9/10. 11. A gardener has 3 and 69 pounds of plant food. If he divides it into equal portions for 3 tomato plants, which quick picture shows how much plant food he has for each plant? 12. Over 5 days, Sina's family drove 215 and 5/10 kilometers. If they drove the same distance each day, about how many kilometers did the family drive each day? A, 10 kilometers, B, 40 kilometers, C, 120 kilometers, D, 100 kilometers. Number 13. In 12 months, a town received 44 and 52 inches of rain. What was the average monthly rainfall? A, 371 10,000ths of an inch, B, 13 7/10 inches, C, 371 thousandths of an inch, D, 3 71/100 inches. 14. A mountain climber eats 43 8/10 ounces of trail mix during an 8-day climb. Which is the best estimate of the average number of ounces of trail mix the mountain climber eats each day? A, 5 ounces, B, 10 ounces, C, 2 ounces, D, 3 ounces. Number 15. A baker used 80 and 5/10 ounces of cornmeal to make 10 pans of cornbread. Each pan contains the same amount of cornmeal. How many ounces of cornmeal are in each pan of cornbread? A, 8/100 of an ounce, B, 85 ounces, C, 80/100 of an ounce, or D, 8 5/100 of an ounce.